Hey traveler, before your next flight, stop scrolling. What if I told you airlines are quietly offering dozens of free perks just for senior passengers? Things that could turn your next trip from stressful to spectacular, but they rarely talk about them. We're talking free seat upgrades, toiletry kits, priority boarding, medical help, and even VIP-style airport escorts, all at no cost, if you simply know what to ask for. In this video, I'll reveal 15 free airline services seniors can ask for that can make flying easier, safer, and far more comfortable. Stay till the end, because number 1 is a hidden gem that can completely change the way you travel. Welcome to Travel Sense, where smart travelers learn how to fly comfortably without paying extra. Let's get started. On-haul flight ahead? Here's your first insider secret. On international or overnight routes, many airlines quietly stock complimentary toiletry or amenity kits, even for economy passengers. Inside, you'll find toothbrushes, toothpaste, lotion, lip balm, socks, and eye masks, items that make those long hours in the air far more comfortable. They're usually reserved for premium cabins, but attendants often have a few extras. All you have to do is ask early in the flight. Excuse me, do you happen to have any amenity kits available? You'll be surprised how often the answer is yes. Because the golden rule of travel comfort is simple: ask early, stay polite, and you'll often be rewarded. Massive airports, tight connections. Sound familiar? Good news, airlines offer free escort and transport services between gates. That means golf carts, motorized rides, and even personal attendants, all free of charge. Here's the trick. Call your airline 48 hours before your trip, or mention it when booking. Even if plans change last minute, gate agents can arrange it on the spot. And no, you don't need to be in a wheelchair. If you have bad knees, a cane, or simply feel overwhelmed, you qualify. Airlines would rather help you move smoothly than deal with missed connections. That's a win for both of you. You know those calm, quiet lounges with free food and Wi-Fi? Here's the secret. Seniors can sometimes get in for free, even when flying economy. Some loyalty programs and credit cards marketed to retirees include free or discounted lounge passes, but it's rarely advertised. At check-in or the gate, just say, "I have a long layover. Are there any lounge options available for seniors today?" If you're polite and the lounge isn't full, agents can issue discretionary passes. Even a few hours apiece and free snacks between flights can transform a long layover into a mini vacation. Let's be honest, wrestling a 20-pound bag into the overhead bin isn't fun for anyone. Here's what airlines never tell you. Flight attendants are trained to help passengers stow luggage, especially seniors who ask. Simply say, "I'd appreciate some help with my bag when we get to my row." They'll remember and assist quietly. Want to make it even smoother? Tell the gate agent before boarding. They can flag your need for assistance to the crew. Asking for help doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're smart enough to travel stress-free. Now for the part everyone loves. Free seat upgrades. When flights aren't full, gate agents and attendants can move passengers at their discretion, and seniors often get priority if they explain a genuine need. Here's what to say. "I recently had knee surgery, and I'm concerned about cramped seating. Are there any seats with extra legroom available?" Be early, polite, and specific, and you might find yourself in a bulkhead or exit row seat, completely free. Sometimes, a little kindness goes further than any loyalty status. Forgot your headphones? No tablet? Most airlines carry extra wired headsets and even loaner tablets for longer flights. Ask early. Supplies go fast. And if you're hard of hearing, mention it. "Do you have any headphones with volume control?" You'll likely get one. It's a small detail, but a huge difference when you're stuck on a 10-hour flight. Feeling cold midair? You're not alone. Cabins often drop to 68 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. Most airlines still stock blankets and pillows, but only hand them out if you ask. Ask early and mention comfort or back support. Attendants usually prioritize seniors. Even a simple pillow behind your lower back can make hours in the air feel effortless. Here's a powerful key phrase. I need to stay hydrated for my medication. Do you have any low-sodium snack options? That one line unlocks the airline's hidden snack stash. From fresh fruit to crackers and cookies, attendants often have more than they advertise. They'll happily bring extra water and healthier snacks if you ask kindly. Hydration isn't just comfort, it's health, and airlines take it seriously. If you have dietary restrictions, don't settle for whatever's served. Airlines offer free special meals, diabetic-friendly, low-sodium, gluten-free, vegetarian, kosher, or halal. Just select your meal type when booking or call 24 to 48 hours before your flight. Forgot? Ask on board. Crews usually have extras for last-minute needs. These meals exist to keep passengers safe and comfortable, not just to impress business class. If you need extra care in the air, airlines are more prepared than most people realize. Some aircraft carry emergency oxygen masks and full medical kits, and crew members are trained to assist with mobility, breathing issues, or medication reminders. If you use a portable oxygen concentrator, inform the airline 48 hours in advance. But the key is communication. Tell your crew about any medical needs during boarding. They genuinely want you to fly safely. Let's face it, economy seats weren't designed for comfort. But if you have arthritis, limited mobility, or discomfort, you can request extra legroom for free. Be early, be honest, and say, I have arthritis in my knees. Are there any seats with extra space available? Even if premium seats are full, you might be moved to a less crowded row or a bulkhead seat. It's not luck, it's strategy. Did you know some airlines quietly waive seat selection fees for seniors? Call customer service instead of booking online. Explain that you need a seat near the front or close to the restroom for medical reasons. It keeps boarding efficient, and airlines appreciate travelers who plan ahead. Just by asking clearly, you can save anywhere from $20 to $80 per ticket. Airlines offer free boarding and deplaning assistance, but most passengers don't know to request it. This includes early boarding, help through the jet bridge, and guidance during exit. No need to pre-book. Just ask the gate agent when you arrive. They'll make sure you're comfortable, calm, and not rushed by the crowd. Think of it as first-class treatment without the price tag. Here's an unadvertised gem: priority boarding for seniors. Ask at the counter or gate, would it be possible to board early for comfort? This gives you time to store your luggage, find your seat, and settle in before the aisles get crowded. It's free, and it's peace of mind every traveler deserves. And finally, the most valuable service of all. Even if you don't normally use one, wheelchair assistance can transform your travel day. Request it when booking or at the airport. Staff will guide you from check-in, through security, to your gate, and even meet you at baggage claim. It eliminates physical strain, saves time, and ensures you're cared for every step of the way. You don't need a medical certificate, just ask. Because travel isn't about endurance. It's about enjoying the journey. So there you have it, 15 free airline perks seniors can ask for that most people never knew existed. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these tips would make the biggest difference on your next flight? Drop a comment below and share your story. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Travel Sense for more travel hacks that save money, reduce stress, and help you fly smarter, not pricier. Because the best travelers aren't the ones who spend the most. They're the ones who know what to ask for. Safe travels, my friend, and I'll see you in the next episode of Travel Sense.